up at 5:45 this morning and I was just like, throw the drone up, catch a little sunrise. Check this out, guys. I know the GoPro doesn't do like super big justice when it comes to like cinematography, but isn't it beautiful? This place is special to me, guys. Special to a lot of people. Glamis has got a big history. It's where I guess like duning has been going on here for, man, decades. Today's gonna be a day. I don't know what the day is gonna bring. I just know that it's gonna be a day and we're gonna go ride. I feel a little bit more refreshed. I have been just wore out, exhaustion. We've been here for several days trying to catch up or trying to keep up with the Glamis lifestyle, but now it's emptied out a whole lot. I don't know what's gonna happen on the weekend. It's Thursday, January 2nd. I just want to tell you guys thanks. It's a new year and let's start it off with a positive message. Every day starts off with a sunrise, and I think the cool thing about the sunrise is basically like the beginning of something again. And it ends with a sunset, which means that every day, even if it's a bad one, ends with the sun setting, and it could be reset again the next day. So if you're having a bad day, just remember the sun does set and the sun does rise. Yeah. So I'm gonna sit here by myself. I tried to get other people to come up here, but I don't think anybody was actually awake. And nobody wanted to come to the hill with me, so that's okay. I'm just gonna sit here and watch the beautiful sunrise for a little while. To the disco ball. As Mike says, we've got to get a post, middle, and pre-update date. What do you got? Uncrustable?
Uncrustables for life.
Uncrustables for, I got 2 of those bad boys. What you do is you put them in your cooler when they're frozen, and then when you get to your destination, they're perfect. And they're not hot and nasty.
What size is the drive?
Dave, he He's got a problem with his antifreeze line, so we're gonna tighten it up. Hopefully this video is gonna be an awesome video. I mean, I really said I wanted to start this year off with pushing out more fun content. Sorry about earlier, guys. I was getting a little sad. Been missing my pops a lot. It's kind of got me lately. So anyways, I'm trying to get over it. I can't change it. I got an awesome bonus dad here with me that I'm very grateful for, Jack. So we're gonna fix this really quick, then we're gonna get onto the disco ball. And yeah, so let's hopefully we can get this fixed. Looks like we might get Kyle to jump this, hopefully. Nice. We made it to the disco ball. Got to put an off-road tire sticker on the disco ball. My buddies over at Sand Blast Extreme came here the other day, and I think he even fixed the ball. So I hate Krista's not here, but we still have to sticker it up because Off-Road Diaries goes everywhere. There we go. Just like that. Right there. We got it stickered up, guys. Got the whole crew. I know what you're thinking.
I'm in two places.
Yeah, he's there and he's there.
Yeah.
He's the one driving this RS1 like a freaking crazy ass. I love watching him drive. Yeah, he's definitely a dooner. He's a hardcore dooner, and he drives really good. I'd love for he and I to go off on a smaller rip without kids and stuff, so we could just go. When we have families with us, we don't mob super hard sometimes, and we're pretty deep out. So the disco ball essentially is south of the swing set. I wanted to come here at nighttime and like bring a speaker and like have music and turn the ball on, but unfortunately this is way out. We're way south of where Gecko would go, or ends, I think, which is right over there. That's actually Sand Highway that takes you to Dooner's Diner. Looks like we got some more Dooners coming over now. Well, guys, this sucks. Wish Krista was here so she could enjoy this with us. Miles is gonna grow up soon, and I hope that I can be one of the guys that are throwing the little bump seat in my car, and he's going with me for a ride. It's funny because like I wanted to rush, because I told Chris this morning, I was like, I feel like I'm getting older, and then I was worried about growing up and being too old to have fun with him. So it's like I want him to grow up older faster, but me not. But then I don't want him to grow up fast because I don't want to miss any single moment with him. I mean, I don't know, guys. It's interesting. It's interesting, the thought process on everything. Jack bit a tie rod. It's not actually broke, but does anybody have a ratchet strap? If we had a ratchet strap, we could pull it back straight.
We're out.
On the Pro R?
Yeah.
Damn, Jack, your first boo-boo. Well,
it hit hard right there. I mean, it was just.
Oh.
That's what I'm
Sorry, guys. We've got to meow some of this horrific language out of our family-friendly videos. Well, the good news is the tie rod is still intact. The bad news is it's bent. So we'll be back momentarily. Hours later.
Seldom do I get to
We're still here, guys. Still under construction. we're still making moves. Mike is, they took the winch out there and then they pulled it underneath the control arm, above the control arm, and then they bent the tie rod back straight. The winch is my idea, people, just so you know.
Yes, it does.
I want to take full credit for that.
Back there, that firewall piece, I'm like bending it, trying to get to the bolts.
We got the famous Kyle Litton with us here. I feel like we're lucky to be blessed with his presence.
Oh, stop it. Oh, stop it. Oh, stop it.
By the way, guys, if you don't follow Kyle, he's the Chronicles of Kyle. Lots of underscores and weird in there, so I'm just going to put a link here so you can go to his Instagram. He's a good Instagrammer. He puts out great content. He's got an amazing Pro R. He's a driver for UTV Source, and he's a hell of a good driver, as you've seen in this video at this point. Okay, guys, we got Jack, or I should say Mike got Jack back to camp. I ended up getting stuck. Yeah, that was fun. We're back at camp now. Got a special appearance, guys. Guess he's about to go for a ride to Sunset. Bam! Sure. If you're new to the channel, this is our X3. If you're just now starting to follow us, I built this car for my wife. Its name is Sherb, and it's sherbet colors. So you've got orange and pink and purple and yellow, which used to be yellow, but that color doesn't hold up very good in the sun. Anyways, it's a really nice X3. Big injector, turbo, all that good stuff on it. It's actually a fast car. The shocks are pretty much toast on it, but I did go through the whole car, put new Heims everywhere on it, the whole 9 yards, running Blackbirds on it, or excuse me, running a 1300 Sand Tires Unlimited. They hook really nice if you're looking for a good paddle. I'm not sponsored, I'm not paid by them or anything. I'm just good friends with the owner. He's a great guy, and they run great paddles. They make great paddles for this car, or any car. Anyways, I am not a fan of spending stupid money on front paddles. Some of you guys may disagree, that's fine. I took these Tuss sand lights, which are like $130 a piece. They're 32s, and I comp cut them, which is $50 a tire, and they actually grip really good. They're a great front tire for this car, and there's just no reason, I think, to spend crazy money sometimes on some of these paddle setups, unless you're just, I don't know. Anyways, so Kyle's going home. His water pump's not working on his motor home. His brother's getting a new car and a bunch of other stuff, so glad we got a chance to rip with him. He's a great driver. That was the first time I think he and I have ever done that much together, so that was a really cool experience. And I think tomorrow Kyle's leaving today and Will's leaving tomorrow. He said he's out of clothes, he's out of everything, so then it'll just be a few of us left, but it doesn't mean we won't have fun, because tomorrow's the beginning of the weekend, the first weekend of New Year's. So we're gonna rip out to Sunset, guys. We're gonna have a nice little ride out there, and then yeah, see what happens after that.